2 years, and I got out because before I went to the pen, I was on crack.
Okay.
See,
Yeah.
so I was on crack from when it first hit the scene in the Bay Area in 85, 86.
Mm-hmm.
I indulged.
Mm-hmm.
Prior to me getting addicted to crack, I was a baller.
Yeah.
I was the man.
Mm-hmm.
And I ventured off into that lane and got caught up. And for 2 years, I was on a downward spiral.
Mm.
You know, lost everything, lost my mind, was physically just unfit. Relationships deteriorated. You know, I was practically homeless. You know, for the 2 years,
Yeah.
because my whole objective was I just wanted drugs.
Yeah.